Few months back, Gurudev gave us an instruction that, start a social internship. And we thought we should do few things जहाँ पे everybody in their best of capacity, जो भी वो पढ़ रहे हैं, जॉब कर रहे हैं, उसके साथ साथ कुछ ऐसी छोटी एक्टिविटी करके they can contribute back to society. And that is where this idea came up. That's why we designed this term, Netritva Lead to Transform.
Leadership essentially is structured on the communication methodology of the person.
Have a vision and have something to do with people. And if you'll keep doing that, you'll automatically become a leader.
Find your passion, be flexible about it, but you have to put the hours, you have to really work hard.
Working on yourself, reading as much as possible, trying to be humble about what other people know and allowing them to also participate in the decision making.
Integrity is in three ways. One is mansa, one is vacha, one is karma. So what it means is integrity in all forms, not just what you're doing, what you're saying, but also what you're thinking.
We believe that anything that's high risk is going to have a higher impact. Pick up projects which are going to have higher risk. That gives you higher impact. It makes it more meaningful for you to invest those number of weeks.
Stories can change the world because of the positive stories that we hear, we act in a positive way, and because of the negative stories that we hear, we could act in a negative way.
Step by step हम बात करें तो शर्ट का पहला बटन जैसे लगाते हो आप, वो पहला बटन अगर गलत लग गया तो ऊपर के सभी बटन गलत ही लगते हैं, आप कितना भी सही करने की कोशिश करो। पर अगर पहला बटन सही लगा तो ऊपर के भी बटन सब सही लगते हैं। तो लीडरशिप का पहला बटन अगर कोई है तो वो है आपकी नीयत।
इंडियन आर्मी में सिखाया जाता है पहले दिन से लेके अंतिम दिन तक कि मुल्क सबसे बड़ा है, और हम इंडियन आर्मी के जितने जो लोग हैं, हमारा ये मानना है कि हमारा मजहब, हमारा रिलीजन, हमारा धर्म ये देश है।
You need to be your priority. Like if you're not emotionally, mentally, physically fit, आप किसी के लिए कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते हो।
और जो आपने मेंटल हेल्थ की जो बात की, मेडिटेशन है, जो आपकी इनर स्ट्रेंथ है, उससे आपको जो 50 लोग हैं उनसे डिफरेंट बनाती है।
No, and I'm sorry to shatter a lot of dreams. There is no one short process where if you stay with me, you will learn everything about politics. Politics actually is about going out amongst people, working, and then keeping in touch as to how you can make that work better. So the best platform you have for that mentorship is the program you're at right now, the Art of Living program. That has given you that platform right now.
today's time, and I want to thank the entire team of Netrutva. Can you come up stage?